In pig production, feed costs reach up to 70% of producers' expenses. This is why we continuously discuss feed ingredients, recipes, the animals' diets, feed intakes, feed conversion rates, and so on. Danish genetic animals sold by breeders have high daily weight gains, and safe feed is a priority in our breeding goals. So in this video, we would like to demonstrate what difference our genetic makes on your feed costs with a concrete example. Let's jump right into it. A producer in a foreign land produces slaughter pig born at 1.2 kilo in average, weaned at 7 kilo when they are 28 days old, who become finishers at 30 kilo and reach slaughter weight at 120 kilo. With a daily weight gain of 850 grams per day, from 30 to 120 kilo, we can calculate that they spend 106 days as finishers. In comparison, Danish genetic animals with a daily weight gain of 1100 grams per day would spend only 82 days as finishers, which is 24 days faster to reach slaughter weight. When the animals eat 2.6 kilo feed per day at 40 cents per kilo, the producer spends $1.04 per finisher per day. With 24 days less as finishers, that is 62 kilo feed saved per animal, which means $25 saved per animal in feed. On a larger scale, with 1,000 sows in production, 26 weaned piglets per sow per year, and a mortality percentage of 4% between weaning and slaughter, the producer sells 25,000 slaughter pigs per year, and they cost him $2,750,000 per year in feed only. In comparison, had these 25,000 slaughter pigs been faster growing Danish genetics animals, the producer would have saved 1,550 tons of feed, which means over $600,000 saved per year. Additionally, when switching to Danish genetics, if the producer reaches 35 weaned piglets per sow per year, we can calculate that he or she would need 740 sows instead of 1,000 to produce the same amount of slaughter pigs. Sows eat approximately 1,200 kilo feed per year, and sow feed is slightly more expensive. So having 260 sows less in production, the producer could potentially save an extra $160,000 per year while actually adding a touch of eco-friendliness to his farm. In this example, we focused on producing the same output with less input. However, in case the producer has enough space and workforce in the farm, he could also choose to replace all the sows with Danish genetics. In this case, he would produce almost 34,000 faster growing slaughter pigs per year instead of 25,000, while his feed cost would barely go up thanks to a better feed conversion rate and higher daily weight gains. Let's say the slaughter pig price is $2.8 per kilo live weight. $2.8 times 120 kilo times 25,000 pigs equals $8.4 million in revenue. With Danish genetics, $2.8 times 120 kilo times 34,000 pigs equals $11.4 million in revenue. That is an additional revenue of $3 million. At breeders, we use complex calculations yet simple math to forecast potential saves and additional revenues that producers could achieve when switching to Danish genetics. So we can play with the data to match your current production and your potential results. Well, don't hold back. Contact breeders now for more information.